So in this video, we're going to learn how to create a timer using a variable. So to begin, we're going to click on Stage, then we're going to go to Variables, and we're going to make a new variable. So last time we typed in score, this time we're going to type in time. Okay, can you see how we have a new box that's popped up here? So, just like up here, we have hide variable when the green flag is clicked. So we hide the score, sorry. We also want to hide the time. So let's do that now. So I'll go to hide variable, pop that underneath the other one, but we're going to change this one to time. And also we need to show the time. So let's go to show variable and change this one to time. So let's test to see if it shows and hides. Good, and now it appears. So at the moment it doesn't know what to do with time, so we need to add a bit of code down here. So we're going to go to control, and then we're going to choose the forever loop, and then we're going to use a wait 1 second, and then we're going to change the time. So we're going to go back to variables and change, but we're going to change score to time. So instead of it being 1, we're going to make it go -1. Just realised we need to set the time. Where does that need to go? Sure, it needs to go up here. So we're going to set, and we're going to pop this underneath the music just to separate it. So we're going to make sure this says set time. So here we have to put a value in. So how long do you want your game to play? So let's maybe say set time to 30 seconds. So it basically means if after every 1 second, the timer will go down by 1 second. So now we need an if block. I'm going to pop that underneath the change. And now we're going to use variables. And we're going to drag across this word time. I'm just going to leave that there a second because we need an operator. So we're going to look for the one that says equals. We're going to use this one here. And we're going to pop that on top of the hexagon shape. Then we're going to drag the word time on top of this first block. So if the time is equal to 0, so when the clock goes down from 30 to 0, what do we want it to do? So we're just going to simply stop all the script, just for now. So let's go to control, and we'll click on stop all. So let's test our game to see if the timer works from 30 down to 0 and then stops. Okay, so the timer is ticking down, the score works. Three, 2, 1. Marvellous. So I cannot move my character around anymore. So instead of the game just stopping, we could then create an end page, which we'll do in the next video.